Good afternoon, students. Welcome back for the political video class. We started with the third unit, basic political concepts. So in this video, in previous video, we seen about law, its different types, sovereignty and its two aspects and features, which is inalienable. Then we seen in a previous video about the liberty and its different types: natural liberty, political liberty, social liberty, economic and national liberty. Then we started with the fourth topic, that is equality. So in previous video we seen about the equality, its meaning, definition, so already we seen what is equality, where the discrimination is not made on the basis of caste, creed, gender. No discrimination. All people are getting equal opportunities for the personal development. There are the lack or absence of privileges, means special rights. There will not be special rights for any one of a person. All are treated equally, and equality before the law, that principle is followed in a democracy. Equality remains an important pillar for the democratic government, because India, which is a country where number of people who belong to different kinds of caste, creed, gender, religion, customs, traditions, appearance, languages, all are different to each another. But then also our democratic country, a government, and this equality make them equal, treat them equal. So yesterday we seen that identical treatment and identical rewards that should be given to everyone. It means that everyone has to be treated equally, everyone has to be rewarded equally. जिसने भी गलत काम किया उसको पनिशमेंट होनी चाहिए, वहाँ पे पार्शियलिटी नहीं चलती, या फिर कोई भी किसी भी प्रकार का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगा, चाहे वो आदमी कितना भी पैसों से बड़ा हो या फिर छोटा हो, हायर क्लास का हो, लोअर क्लास का हो, मर्द हो या औरत हो, किसी प्रकार का भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन न करते हुए सबको एक समान नजरिए से देखना ही इक्वालिटी है. And which is prevalent from the ancient time, even we seen from the period of Plato and Aristotle. In India, world system was there. Chaturvard system ಇತ್ತು. ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ, ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ, ವೈಶ್ಯ, ಶೂದ್ರ ಈ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾಲ್ಕು ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ, ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ವೈಶ್ಯ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತು ಶೂದ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, Shudra only has to provide the service for the upper classes. They will not got any kind of right, any kind of liberty they not got. So where the equality prevailed in Indian society? But nowadays, in this modern field, in this modern world, all are treated equally. In Europe, feudalism was there. That I have explained that what is feudal system. So the hierarchy was there in the European countries. So I show you one triangle where on the top comes king, then second comes noble person, then comes the vassals, then comes the labor and slaves. So labor and slaves who comes at the bottom of the society. Our slaves, labor in ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು, ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ಸ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಲೀಡ್ ಎ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿಯಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. ನುಸ್ತಾ ಐಶೋ ಆರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಸುರಿಯಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ the inequality was prevalent. But now the equality has dismissed and inequality has dismissed and equality had brought by the government legally by constitutional way. So which equalities are there, or which are the different types of equalities are there which have been mentioned in our constitution? So once you can see here, what is equality? That is absence of privileges as well as adequate opportunities for all, and providing adequate opportunities to all, that is equality. Now let us see which are the kinds of equality or types of equality are there. So we can divide like this way as like yesterday. So equality which provides adequate equal rights, equal status, equal treatment to everyone. Okay, so there are the 5 types of equality is there: natural equality, political equality, economic equality, civil equality, and social equality. So let's see one by one. Natural, civil, political, economic, and fifth one is social. So these are the 5 types of equalities. Now let's see one by one what it means and what kind of things comes in these equality. So first one is natural. Natural equality. So when man has got free, as we see that ರೂಸೋ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಪೃಥ್ವಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಮಾಜದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂಧನಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಸೋ told that man has got free, but he found in the chains when he come into contact with the society. But even it is said that creator or the nature itself made man equally. He created everyone equally. But do you find equality there? All the mans are equal? No, nature has made itself inequality among all the people. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು absolute equality is not there. Absolute equality is not there, which is not going to be found. It is not going to be found because there is a difference in between every person, every male and female. Lots of differences are there. So what are those differences? Yatara now bring it. For example, my personality is different, your personality is different. Okay, so my color is different, your color is different. So all are different in the height, color. Okay, height, color, then personality, everything is different. We are different to each another. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಹೈಟರ್ ಇದ್ದರು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದರು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಡಲ್ ಇದ್ದರು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಲರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್, and this inequality prevails everywhere. You can see here, when you look around, there will be, you found the different kinds of differences. There are height, intelligence, physical capacity, complexion, everywhere ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಕಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ದಪ್ಪಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೇಚರ್ದಾಗ ಏನೈತಿ, inequality is prevalent. So definitely even in society we find the inequality which is going to prevail everywhere. Okay, so in a natural equality we find these kinds of problems: height, color, intelligence, complexity. So everywhere we are different to each another. That is natural. Then what comes in a civil equality? Civil equality. A person or citizen of the country can enjoy all the rights. Then what kind of things here they will get? All these citizens who are irrespective of this area, irrespective of this country, they can enjoy their status, color and opportunities. Status, color and opportunities. These all are equal. It implies that all the equal law and entitled equal opportunities and protection also. Status, color and opportunities all are equal. It is going to be provided everyone equally, but we are getting different kinds of things. Inequality will be there. Gender, class. Here we will get the differences. Some people's status is very high. Some people have a very a good purpose, good car, and balance, whereas another person has a very less. Even the person doesn't have any kind of shelter to live. Color, you can see opportunities. Good people or well people who have enough money, those people only get opportunities. But actual person who is needing opportunity, that person will not get opportunity. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ opportunity ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. Okay, so those opportunities will be unnecessarily given to the person who already has more than enough. Okay, even we find lots of differences between gender, color, gender differences we will find here, and even about the class. Higher class, lower class, middle class. Always, whenever we think of a person, we will observe his personality first. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಾವು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ನ ಹೈಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ನ ಕಲರ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವ್ನ ಪೋಷಾಕಿದೆ, ವೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವ ಗಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಯಾವ ಬೈಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅವ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಲರ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And then the prestige that person will get on the basis of this column. Now, ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಣ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಣ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. How he looks like, what bank balance he has, what car he has, what bike he has, how personality he has. So these things makes every person unequal in a society. Means ourselves we are creating these problems, we are making indiscrimination in the society, all kinds. Equality. The rights to the civil equality is the basic principle. Civil equality is basic principle of democracy. At present, this is a very important one, civil equality. It has become the basic principle which treats everyone equally. Okay, but then also we will get the differences. Equality, where the equality is provided. Okay, these everywhere we are unequal. Inequality ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದ್ದು ನಾವು ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Opportunity depends. Gender you can't change, even class you can't change. Yes, you might change, but you need lots of things and lots of time. So, in where we will get the civil equality? So, those areas are very less where we will find the equality. So, equality in the life, matter of life. State has to protect everyone's life. He may be rich or poor. Okay, life, education. Education ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು. Poor people will go for the primary schools, for government schools, whereas higher class or rich people send their children for the CBSE schools or the international schools. But everyone is getting education, and which is equivalent. Same thing, only difference ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋದ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋದ no. It will be same. So matter of life, education and opportunities. For me, the association also will be having the equal rights. Association, ಯಾವುದೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಘ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. There will be equal opportunities to form any kind of association. Okay, so these points comes in the civil equality. Third one is political. Political equality, where man is going to enjoy, or a person is going to enjoy all the political rights. All political rights can be equally shared, equally given to every person. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಿಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇರಲಿ, ವೈಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ದಪ್ಪ ಇರಲಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಇರಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ? ಒನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ there is no discrimination as for this political equality. Voting right, a person who has completed 18 age, so he will get the same thing. Okay, there will not be any discrimination. No discrimination. On the basis of caste, creed, gender, color, or education. In ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ರೀಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಜಾತಿ ಪಂಗಡಗಳು ಯಾವುದು ಇರಲಿ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಇರಲಿ, ಪುರುಷ ಇರಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇರಲಿ, ವೈಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅನ್ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. If you are uneducated, then also you can give vote, you can contest for election, you can participate in administration. A thumb reader person can be a prime minister if he is very knowledgeable. Okay, that kind of rights are given. Equality is provided in our constitution. So the person can enjoy all the political rights without any discrimination on on the basis of caste, creed, gender, color, education. ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಭೇದಭಾವ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, so the doors of the powers are kept open for everyone. The doors of the government administration are always open, no discrimination. So again, what things person can enjoy here? So one thing is voting, contesting election, participation in administration. So these are the important political rights that every person can enjoy without any discrimination. Election ನೀವು ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಗೆದ್ದು ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಖರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 26 ಜನವರಿ ಮತ್ತು 15 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡೇ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಈವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, and you can have public office. Public office means you can apply for any one of the government posts as per your eligibility. ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಒಂದು ಪಿನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? A person who has completed 10th of SSLC or PUC. So whatever eligibility is there. So as per that eligibility, you can have the public office. You can join any government job without discrimination. Okay. So this is about the political equality. Fourth one is economic equality. When the government is providing equal shares of money to everyone. Now, in modern times, economic equality has gained greater importance here, because when every person gets the equal opportunity, it may be employment, it may be about they should not suffer by the unemployment, underemployment or starvation. There should be a equal rights, equal wealth to be shared for all, equal shares of money. And there should not be a gap between rich and poor. Okay, so this is a main thing in economic inequality. And sometimes what happened in India, the biggest problem about economic inequality, 10% of the people in the country have 90% of money, whereas 90% of people have just 10% of money. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 10% ಸಮಾಜದಾಗ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಾಗ 90% ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಉಳಿದ 90% ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಾಗ 10% ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮನಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮನಿ in the few hands. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನರ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಪವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿಕೆ ಜನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅನ್ನನ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So that makes a difference in the society in between rich and poor. The rich gets richer, poor gets the poor again. So this concentration of power and money should be centralized. It should be divided. There should not be any kind of concentration. ಯಾವುದೂ ತರ ಒಂದು ಜನ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, then only it is possible to have economic equality. A few things again here, that minimum wages, the basic needs and minimum wage to be provided. Basic needs and minimum wage. ಮೊದಲಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೌಡ್ರು ಇದು ಗೌಡ್ರ ಮನೆಯಾಗ ಅವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮನೆಗಳು ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು, 100 ಎಕರೆ 200 ಎಕರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕುಲ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್. So mostly those belongs to SC, ST, OBC, like people who don't have the agriculture field. So these people only used to get the food. They not used to get any kind of in return. They not used to get the wage or money in return. So the government has made mandatory the minimum wage to be provided, and basic facilities are provided by government: food, cloth, shelter. ಫುಡ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ರೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಮನೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಆವಾಸ್ ಯೋಜನೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಸವ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಆವಾಸ್ ಯೋಜನೆ ಐತಿ, ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಆವಾಸ್ ಯೋಜನೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಮನೆಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ, ವಾಟರ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್, then only it is possible economic equality. Okay, and then a fifth and last one is that social equality. This is also very important, because after having that natural, civil, political, economic equality, social equality is important. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಜಾತಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಸಮಾಜದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ discrimination, or inequality should not be there on the basis of religion, caste, gender. Any difference should not be there based on this. ನೀಯಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಶೂದ್ರ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನಿಂತು ನೀ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಬಶಿ. ಮೊದಲಿನ ಕಾಲದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಕೋಡ್ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಚಾಕ್ ಕುಡುಕ್ನಾಗ ನೀರು ಕುಡುಕ್ನಾಗೂ ನಾಲಿನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮುಟ್ಟಬಾರ್ದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು. ಕುತ್ರನು ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಏನು ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ಹ್ಯೂಮನಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜದಾಗ ಒಂದು ದನ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ದನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಾಗ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು if you find this kind of discrimination which is done on the basis of religion, caste, definitely you will get a custody. Because of social equality, every person has to treat equality before the law. So the number of people try to make the society casteless and classless. This is very important. Society should be casteless and classless. There should not be any discrimination. Higher class, lower class, middle class, backward class. No, it should not be. All people, all citizens should be treated equally. Then only that social equality will be preserved when we start treating everyone equally. It's our responsibility, our duty to treat everyone equally as a friendly, as a fraternity, brotherhood. ಸಹೋದರ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಹವಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ equality. Natural equality, where absolute equality is not present. Okay, it is not going to be found. Naturally, man has created difference. He is different in height, color, gender, even his personality, height, weight. Everywhere it's different. Then in civil, he is different in status, color, opportunities, gender, even class also different. But civil equality is a basic principle where we can find the equality in a matter of life, education, and forming society, framing association. Okay. Third, political equality. All political rights are equally shared. No discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, gender, religion, education. Then, which political right give equality to all people? Voting, contesting election, then participating in administration, then to hold public office and criticize government. What do you mean by criticize of government? Whatever the policies and programs introduced by the government that you can criticize, whether it is right or wrong, it will be benefit or not. So in that way you can criticize it. Fourth one, economic inequality, which is going to be trivial. Okay, equal shares are given to all the people. Then concentration of money and power should not be in the few hands. Okay, basic needs and minimum wage to be provided to all the people. And last point is social equality, which is not found religion, caste, gender. On these basis we divide them. Okay, so we have to find casteless and classless society. Okay, thank you students for being up to the end of the video, and next video we'll start with the new topic. Okay, so that is